Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this massive 42-inch industrial style fan. This only uses 550 watts, but pumps out almost 13,000 CFM, that's cubic feet per minute, pushing this air through here. Plugs into a standard 110 outlet, and this thing blows. I mean, it blows a lot of air. This actually has a nice control on the side, lovely casters on the bottom, two of them, very easy to move this thing around, two locking casters as well. The side of this has a control panel that allows you multiple speeds, so you can turn it on. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. This is speed 1 here, and it's already just moving some air. Relatively quiet, has a nice grill on the outside of this as well. The whole thing is housed really nice handle to maneuver this around. Again, very easy, very versatile. We can crank this thing on up here to speed 3, and I mean, this really moves some air. This thing, look at this thing here. I mean, that's gone. I mean, this thing moves some air. So if you had a nice industrial style facility, or maybe a shed, or anywhere that you wanted to use just to really move some air, this thing here will definitely do the job. It's got the blades that are on this that are automatic adjusting on there, self-leveling blades, nice motor on this, putting this together. So everything went together really well, and it's, again, lightweight. Like the fact that it is all like a plastic style, so that even if you had a little bit of water or anything you need to get through there, seems like it would go through really well. So really nice product. Thank you guys again for sending it.